This is my first ever recording of this camera, and I'm trying to record this blizzard that we literally can't even open the restaurant right now. It's me and Joe. Joe's trying to call the workers. We can't even get inside
just
the
forget
restaurant.
about it and just close today?
It's almost impossible. You can't even move. No one's plowed, or if they've plowed, it hasn't done any good. And there are at least a dozen cars stuck on almost every street.
Yeah, go home because this is too bad.
Joe is officially canceling work for the day. We're gonna try and get to the front to shovel. Give it a fair shot. It looks like, excuse me, get out the way. Thank you. You canceling it? Yeah. It's impossible. Trey Bradley was like, we are not delivering. Don't bother asking. My car is officially underground. It's not even a consideration.
Cancel it. Everyone's stuck in the streets.
It's actually dangerous to even try and open.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy. I had to go.
Wow, this is okay, relatively clear.
Yeah, I'm outside.
But then a little mountain of snow right there, we're gonna have to cut it.
What I can do.
Yeah, good luck with this. Alright, that's enough for now.